Good evening, my wonderful people. Today I'm going to tell you about Kencko Smoothies. Kencko is this awesome website where they have different subscriptions that you can choose from. They have smoothies, they have gumdrops, and now they even have bowls like lunch for your lunch. The subscription that I have been getting is for the smoothies. This is actually my third box. I am really enjoying this, and they have about 60 different flavors, 50 to 60 different flavors of smoothies that you can choose from. You get to decide what smoothies you want each month. You can switch it if you decide it. Like, I had a kale smoothie in one of my boxes, and I found out I was allergic to kale. So the next month, I switched that out for a different smoothie. And you can edit it as you go. It's totally up to you. The smoothies are $2.49 each at the cheapest option. You can decide whether you get 20 smoothies a month, 30 smoothies, or 60 smoothies each month. It's your choice. And this is how it comes. It comes in this box, and then it's a box within a box. And I love the personal touch. They take the time to actually write in your name. That's just kind of nice. And I have some peaches. So in the peach smoothie, and it'll tell you all this on the website, a half a peach, third of a carrot, half stalk of rhubarb, 3 strawberries, a slice of sweet potato, 2 grams of coconut water, and then boobab powder, I'm not sure what that is, and some flaxseed. Everything's always organic, the all natural ingredients, it's all fruits and veggies. The only extra they have in this is possibly a little bit of water. They even have mochas, some mint greens. Each one of these has 2.5 of your daily serving worth of fruits and vegetables. There's just everything in there. These are my smoothies. And they even send you a card with calories, nutritional facts, all those things that you might be curious about. And they always send the nutritional facts about each smoothie in the box. And they also put this little card in here, tells you a little bit about fiber and how it helps you. One of the other really, really cool things about the Kencko Smoothies is while you are receiving the boxes, and as long as you are signed up for this subscription, you have access to a personal dietitian. I haven't tried this myself, but they will send you the email saying you can talk with them once or twice a week, I think. But you get to choose whether or not you want to speak to one of their dietitians about your health and to help you along on your journey and then those things that you are trying to accomplish. So today I'm going to show you, I have the mint greens here, and like I said, it shows you each ingredient that is listed and each package, and it also tells you like what this helps. So for the mint greens, this is a brain boost, spearmint for focused attention, antioxidants for cognitive function, and vitamin C for healthy cells. One of the things you need to do with this, you like massage the package before opening it, shake it up, just that way it gives your smoothie a nice smooth finish. I also purchased a Kencko bottle. This is from them. It has the max fill line right here, You can choose to put water in this if you want. I personally like it best with sweetened almond milk. And then it just comes off and you can put your smoothie in there. So I've got my bottle unscrewed. I did purchase, I don't know if you can see that, a blender ball for my smoothies. They didn't have this option on their website, but I just got like a whole pack of them from Amazon for about $4. So that wasn't that big a deal. That just helps it keep that smoothie smooth. This is perforated, so you could, if you don't have a pair of scissors with you, you can just rip it. But I just like to cut the top to help me not make a mess. And you twist it up and you just shake it real good until your smoothie is ready. I like the mint green because it really does have like a mint taste, and it's my go-to for after my coffee. Well, that is all for the Kencko Smoothies. To get a $20 discount on your first order, check it out below, and good luck on your smoothie journey.